What's going on, guys? It's LexiVee03 and I am back with another video. And for today's video, I am going to be trying Zendaya's curly / wavy hair routine. There is a YouTube video of Zendaya showing us how she does her hair and what she uses in it, the products and everything. So I thought it would be pretty cool if I tried out her hair tutorial. My hair is kind of similar. I think my sister's hair is probably more similar to Zendaya's than mine. Mine is a little more curly and hers is a little more wavy. But I still thought this would be a really cool video and I wanted to see how it would turn out. So right now I'm on my way to Target to get the products that she uses because I don't have like any of the stuff she uses. She uses a very minimal amount of products in her hair and I use more, a lot. I use all Diva Curl stuff, as you guys probably seen in my curly hair routine. If you haven't, make sure you check that out. Go watch my curly hair routine, link in the description box. Yeah, she uses not a lot of products. So this is gonna be really interesting. I'm excited to see how it's gonna turn out. My hypothesis is that it won't look right on my hair. My hair won't look bad, but it won't look how I prefer it to look, like really curly and big. I think it'll just be, I don't know. But we're gonna find out together, so let's go. Okay, we just made it to Target. Maybe my mom had some Chick-fil-A. It was so good, but they didn't put a piece of chicken in one of my chicken minis. I was like, okay. We are here. Super Target. Alright, in the hair section, the 3 things I'm going to need to complete Zendaya's curly hair routine is the Miss Jessie's multicultural curls, a wide tooth comb, and a microfiber towel. And that's it. I was looking, this was down here. So at first glance, I did not see it. I just so happened to pick this one up, and it is exactly what she uses, the Miss Jessie's multicultural curls. So I'm actually really excited. She uses a very minimal amount of product, so now all I literally need is a wide tooth comb and a microfiber towel, and that's it. We have some wide tooth combs right here. I'm gonna go with this one. Oh no, don't like that one. We're gonna go with this wide tooth comb. It's very wide tooth comb. I'm not a fan of combing out my hair with wide tooth combs, but hey, this is not my routine. This is Zendaya's routine, so I have to do exactly what she does. I did not see a microfiber towel in the hair section, so now I'm in the towel section. I know I have microfiber towels at home, but I don't know if I know exactly where they are, so I wanted to be sure that I had one, but I don't see any. We might have to go to like Sally's maybe, or we might just have to see if we can find the one at home. Sally's Beauty Supply. Alright, you guys, we had no luck at Target with the with the microfiber towel. So we are going to try Sally's because I want to make sure that I get this perfect and I don't mess anything up as far as getting exactly what I need. I don't want to get home, not have it, and have to use something else because I want it to be exactly how she did it. So we are at Sally's. My mom is taking a long time. Alright, you guys, they only had the big pack, but we're just gonna have to go with it. They don't have any like singular towels, so we're just gonna have to go with the big pack because that's all they have. Alright, you guys, I am finally back home. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. I have it right here. So first thing I got was the Miss Jessie's multicultural curls. So I got this. I'm actually really excited to use this product. I always like trying new products just to see how they make my hair look and feel. So I'm really excited about this. I also got the wide tooth comb and the microfiber towels. I had to get a big pack like the ones that the professional salons use because they didn't have any single ones. I also have my Diva Curl blow dryer and diffuser. She also uses the Diva Curl blow dryer and the little diffuser hand in her video as well. So I'm pretty excited. I'm going to do it exactly how she did it, step by step. So I'm gonna head to the bathroom and wash my hair. You know my body never knows. Alright, you guys, I am back out the shower. I literally just stepped out the shower. I'm dripping wet. The key to doing curly hair is to do it while it's wet. So my hair is wet right now. It's just dripping. She starts off by using a wide tooth comb and combing through her head. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. I really don't use combs on my hair. I use brushes like the Denman brush or like a wet brush. But mainly I just use a Denman brush. So alright, you guys, so my hair is all combed out. I want to make sure I get the top though. Like, that seems to be like the toughest. Okay, my hair is all combed out. Fat knot in my head. Ooh, guys. Alright, my hair is combed out. I am gonna go ahead and dry my hair now with one of these microfiber towels. There's like 1,000 of them. Alright, so here is a microfiber towel. I'm gonna go ahead and just dry my hair with it. Microfiber towels are really good for your hair. It's better than your regular bath towel. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and dry this. That's not just dripping wet everywhere. I'm actually really glad that I bought this pack of microfiber towels because I had one and I lost it and I need it in my life. Wait, we are dry for the most part. Okay, good. Now we're not like completely just soaking, dripping wet. Now it's time for Miss Jessie's cultural curls. Now, you guys, I am so stunned that she only uses one product in her whole head after she washes. That's so surprising to me. She doesn't section her hair out and put it in pieces. She kind of just puts it all in there. So that's what I'm gonna do. This product was expensive. I don't want to use too much. I'm gonna use about that much for right now and see how that's feeling in my hair. Yeah, let's do this. Okay. So she kind of just runs it throughout her whole entire head in the video. Wow, this is different from how I do my hair. Okay, I'm definitely gonna need more than that. I don't know how she doesn't section her hair. I have to because I need all parts of my hair to be like the same amount of curly. You know what I'm saying? Because my curl patterns will be all over the place if I don't section it out. So right now, I'm just going to kind of do it all random, I guess, since Zendaya doesn't seem to section hers out. This product smells super good. Oh my gosh. Alright, you guys. We put the product in. And now the last thing she does is just diffuse. I am really surprised that this is all she does. Like, I'm just stunned. Her hair is like so good and this is all she does. So we're gonna see now how it turns out on my hair. And diffusing takes a really long time, you guys. I'm just letting you know. But we're gonna diffuse it dry. Alright, you guys, I just finished diffusing my hair with the Diva Curl diffuser, and oh my goodness, I see why she only has a one-step hair routine. Y'all, look at my curls. I'm like beyond satisfied. Oh my gosh, they look so good. Now normally I have a little more volume and it's more fluffy, but I think maybe a pick can help with that because I can feel how like my hair is kind of stuck to my head. So yeah, I think just a pick can help. Oh my goodness, like I'm like beyond surprised. It looks really, really good. What? Okay, hold on. Zendaya might have just put me on Miss Jessie's multicultural curls. Hold up. It looks really good, you guys. I am not mad whatsoever. I did not think it would look this good because I'm like, okay, one product for your whole hair routine, like, sounds a little bit fishy. But I'm blown away. Stupid boy think that I need it. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. All right, you guys, well, that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed. I did, because we might have just found our new hair routine. Updated hair routine coming soon? I don't know. But I am definitely going to play with Miss Jessie's multicultural curls and find out the perfect amount to put in my hair. If I don't want to add anything to it, I'm gonna find the perfect consistency of every single product to make my hair even better. But I gotta say, I really like this. It came out a lot better than I thought it would. So that is all for this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit the post notification bell, head over to the community page. There will be a post for this video, and in the comment section of that post, tell me whose curly hair routine I should try next. I would love to do it. I am like so surprised at my results for this one, and I definitely am open to trying more products and more routines. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.